Hello, my friends, it's Dani, and we are officially in the season of giving. So I thought it would be fun to go through some clean and delicious gift ideas for all of the healthy home cooks in your life who love food. Now, I've tried to mix and match all the price points here, so hopefully there's a little something for everybody. And I will, of course, leave links down in the description box below should you find an item that you want to explore further. So the first gift on my list is this beautiful olive wood utensil set. It is a set of 3. It comes with a spatula, a wooden spoon, and then a ladle, which is a little bit of a deeper spoon here. And they are absolutely gorgeous. They're all made of one piece of wood, so nothing attaches anywhere, so nothing's gonna fall apart. And I love how the grain of the wood just makes the most gorgeous design on each utensil. I have these, I own them. I find myself reaching for them every time I'm in the kitchen because A, they're really comfortable. I like the way they feel in my hand. And B, I feel like it just upgrades the cooking experience when you're working with something that just makes you feel so happy when you look at it and when you use it. So I think this would be a fantastic gift for anybody who wants to be in the kitchen more, who is making fresh, beautiful meals at home. And this gift sells right on Amazon. You can get it for $25.99, and I will leave a link down in the description box below. Now, the next gift idea I have is this cookbook. It's called Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat, and it's written by Samin Nosrat. This is a book that I recently discovered after finding Samin's Netflix series. She has a special on Netflix that you have got to watch. And basically what she does is she travels all around the world exploring the 4 elements of good cooking as a way of having a greater understanding of the fundamentals in the kitchen. Now, if you haven't already watched the series on Netflix, I would definitely do that first. I watched it with my whole family and we all really loved it. It actually inspired my daughter and I to get into the kitchen the next day and make homemade focaccia. First time doing that. It was delicious. But if you find that you really enjoy the series as much as we did, you might want to check the book out. Now, I will say one thing that I wasn't super excited about was that there's no pictures in the book. And normally when it comes to like any type of cooking book, I love to see like all the food pictures. But I found that the writing was so good, it's entertaining, it's witty, it's educational, that I really didn't miss the picture. So if you know anybody that's really wanting to take a deeper dive into basic home cooking fundamentals so we can kind of cut ourselves free from the recipes, I completely recommend this book. Right now, it is available on Amazon. The last time I checked, it was selling for $21. So my third gift idea is for all of my meal preppers out there or for anybody who wants to become better at meal prepping. And it is these 3-cup rectangular glass containers with an airtight lid made by Pyrex. Now, I know this may not seem like the world's most exciting gift, but if you know somebody who wants to be doing more meal prep, this could be exactly what they need to give them a little bit of extra motivation and inspiration. My friends, have tried many different containers, and this one always rises to the top for me. I just find it's perfect for a salad. It's great for soup. If you want to make a mini meal, I love the way they stack on top of each other. For me, these are the meal prep containers that I find myself reaching for 99% of the time. And they do sell in a set of 4, just like I have here, and you'll get them right under $30 on Amazon. So moving right along, my husband and I are obsessed with these sweet and spicy jellies from Jenkins Jellies. They are the perfect combination of sweet and heat. You have the sweet jelly with a spicy pepper for this little flavor explosion that happens in your mouth. And so I got very excited when I saw this year they were offering this quartet gift set. It's basically the 4 different flavored jellies that they have, along with a little cookbook that shows you different ways to use them. These are great for anybody in your life that likes an edible gift with a lot of flavor. They're also great just to have on hand during the holidays because you can make like a really quick appetizer. You could serve this with a little cheese plate. You could put some on some roasted vegetables like roasted Brussels sprouts to add a little sweet, spicy flavor to the mix. Or you can even just put some on a sandwich or like on toast in the morning with a little bit of cream cheese. Really easy way to get a lot of flavor. And you can get all of this on Amazon, this cute little set. It sells for $34. Gift idea number 5 is another edible gift idea, and it is a subscription box from the Raw Spice Bar. Now, I love them so much. I know I've mentioned them to you guys in the past, but what they do is they offer a quarterly delivery service where they deliver fresh global spices right to your door. And personally, I think this is a really fun, delicious way to experiment with new flavors. And what you will find is when you start playing around with different spices, it's a really easy way to cut back on unnecessary salts and unnecessary sugars in your cooking so that you're naturally upgrading your dishes and healthifying things without sacrificing any taste at all. So they offer a 6-month subscription service, which would be $36, or 1 year, which is $72, or you could just get a gift certificate and let the person that you are gifting it to decide how they want to use it. It's a really great gift idea for anybody who wants to eat well, cook more, and add lots of flavor to their kitchen. Now, my next gift idea number 6, is a little bit on the pricier side, but this is a gift that any healthy home cook would absolutely adore. I know that I love mine. It is the 5.5 quart Le Creuset Dutch oven. This pot is so gorgeous and it is so well made. It truly is a classic that will last you a lifetime. Basically, it's a cast iron pot that is coated in enamel, and it really holds and distributes heat very well. So it's great for soups, it's great for stews. You could do a braise in it. If you wanted to go from the top of the stove into the oven, this pot works in both places. They also are beautiful to serve out of. So if you make something in the pot and then you just serve it right from the pot, I mean, it really just is a classic, beautiful gift that any home cook, I believe, would appreciate. Now, they do come in a variety of colors. If I'm not mistaken, they have like over 10 colors that you can get. And on Amazon right now, they're selling for $339. Perhaps today is Black Friday, you will get yourself a deal. I don't know, but if I were you, I would definitely check that out. Fantastic gift idea. And actually, I would love one of these in white. So if anybody wants to send me a gift, just let me know. I love you. You've been so good to me. I've had this pot for over 10 years. It's been a long relationship. Okay. Moving right along. Gift idea number 7. Every home cook needs to own one good knife. I have been saying this for years, but I'm telling you, if you want to make your healthy home cooking easier and more enjoyable, the secret is to be working with a good knife and then, of course, to learn how to use it. Now, I own a lot of different knives, and I have to tell you, the one that I reach for the most is this one right here. It's a 7-inch Santoku knife. This particular one is made by Lucie. And I just think it's a very easy to handle, especially if you're new to cooking. But I mean, I've been cooking for however long I've been cooking now, and it's still the one I reach for the most often. It just has a really great hand feel, and if you take care of it properly, it will last you a lifetime. Again, you can get these on Amazon. The last time I looked, they were selling for $79.95, but I'd be very curious to look today because it is Black Friday, so perhaps you will find a deal. And for my 8th and final gift idea, you know I had to include some chocolate. It's this adorable chocolate passport set from Trader Joe's. Now, the downside is that you do need to live near Trader Joe's to get your hands on this, but the upside is that it sells for just $9.99, and it is the most adorable, fun, delicious gift idea. Basically, what you get is 8 different chocolate bars from 8 different countries, so you're getting like a little chocolate sampling from around the world. Plus, I think the way they packaged it is absolutely beautiful. I'd want to keep it super simple and just like put a bow on top and deliver it as is because it's almost too pretty to cover up. So if you have any chocolate lovers in your life, you might want to think about this as a gift idea. Now, just a little FYI, I do have a few extra gift ideas, but I didn't want to make this video last forever. But if you're on my newsletter list, you're going to get that in your inbox along with this gift guide. So I'll share some of my other ideas. And if you're not on my newsletter list, I'll leave a link down in the description box below. If you click on that link, enter your email, you will get it right to your inbox. So if you want a few more clean and delicious holiday gift ideas, make sure that you do that. But now, as always, I want to hear from you. Did any of these excite you, inspire you? Do you think you might buy any of these? And if so, who are you going to buy them for? And yes, you're allowed to save for yourself. And do you have any of your own ideas that you think the rest of us healthy food lovers would like to know about? Please come on down to the comments below and do share. And if you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share this video with anybody else you know who wants to make healthy eating easy. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Dani Spies, and I'll see you back here next time with some more clean and deliciousness. Cheers! Now, I discovered this book after discovering Samin's Now, I discovered this book after I found Samin's Netflix special where she...
3-2. What's up? 3-2.
Now, I discovered this book after discovering Samin's Netflix special where she travels around the world searching for... This is fun. Where she travels all around the world exploring the fundamentals of